Hello and welcome to Currency Call with me, Manisha Gupta. Well, let's start with the rupee, which is trading at around 10-week lows following the losses in the morning trade after the domestic share markets marginally recovered from the day's lows. Also, the dollar has weakened against most of the major currencies in the afternoon trade, lending some support to the Indian rupee. Right now, the rupee is holding around 45.79. We have seen levels like 45.86 as well onto that one. The single nation euro is trading around 1.33 below those levels actually due to worries that the Europe's debt crisis could spread from Ireland and ongoing tensions on the Korea Peninsula. Investors are anxious that the other countries, chiefly Spain and Portugal, will also have to seek aid as their borrowing costs soar. The euro is currently still below 1.33. We have seen nearly a percentage point of a decline coming in that one. That's the dollar gain, but the euro of course has declined to below 1.33. Markets also are jittery after the North Korea warned that US-South Korean plans for military maneuvers put the peninsula on the brink of war. The dollar index at this point in time is trading higher as investors are moving into safe haven currency, 80.23 onto that one, 0.5% of a gain coming in for the dollar index as well. So clearly the safe haven buying is on and all the high yielders like the rupee, Asian currencies, commodity currencies and euro are trading in the negative. Let's get to Nidhi Sharma, who's in the newsroom, joining us from there on all the action in the currency futures in the Indian markets today. Nidhi, hi, what kind of volatility are you looking at and what's the volumes at this point in time?
Manisha, today rupee is weak against all the currency. Now the November contract expires today, so volatility in December contract, USD INR 34 paisa, Euro INR 32 paisa, GBP INR 29 paisa and JPY INR 38 paisa. Open interest on MCX FX was up at 6.6 lakh lots. And on NSE open interest was up at 7.2 lakh lots. Good volumes today, Manisha. On MCX FX they were over 19,000 crore. On NSE volumes were over 15,700 crores. And on USD the volumes were rupees 2,300 crores. Manisha?
Thank you so much. So as compared to yesterday, the volumes are looking better on the Indian exchanges, but then it has been a very, very volatile international markets and that clearly is impacting the Indian markets as well. Let's get in the expert as well, and Pramit Brahmbhatt, CEO Alpari Forex, now joins us in our Ahmedabad studios. Pramit, hi, welcome to the show. Let's start with the rupee really. That's trading at near 10-week lows. What kind of an expectation are you looking at in that currency, and do you think 46 is soon coming?
Well, what we are seeing is again a very quick reaction from the traders side since the European debt issue has come back. And everyone is trying to move into the safe haven, so that's why dollar is getting stronger against all the other currencies. So we need to wait till Monday, Tuesday once this issue little bit calm down and to see whether what sort of reaction traders are having. 46 level is yes expected, but it doesn't seem that it can sustain at that level unless there is some more serious issues comes up from the European market.
Pramit, what kind of cues are you getting from Europe? Because after Greece and Ireland, people are talking about Portugal and Spain as well, and that is very heavily weighing onto that currency.
Yeah, absolutely. We have seen in last 2 weeks the way euro dollar has moved from 1.40 levels. Now it's very close to 1.3250 levels, and it seems that is going ahead. Euro is going to get weaker again. It won't be surprising for me to see 1.25 levels in coming time. But in the short term, yes, there is a serious issue coming out of the European economy. What has been expected is that the matter has been resolved in the PIGS country, which is coming back. And we will see, it's very similar to the situation like what we saw in US, that one by one bank is coming up with an issue. And when you see actually the matter, when you feel the matter has been resolved, still this keep coming back. So that's what we are seeing in Europe, what happened in US 2 years back. So accordingly, it seems that we will see few more contractions of PIGS country and the European issue keep coming back, and that can push euro down.
Yeah. Pramit, when you talk about levels like 1.25 in euro, then what kind of expectations do you have from dollar index? Because that's up nearly 0.5%. We have breached the 80 level in the intraday markets today. Where would you see the dollar index going now?
Well, it will be interesting to see that how other currencies are reacting with euro, because we are looking at the pound is getting weaker as well as the Japanese yen. So if this trend continues, then we can see definitely the dollar index can get stronger. But it also, because dollar index is a group of currencies, so we need to keep eye on the other currencies within the group to see. But definitely, if major currencies like euro, GBP and yen is getting weaker, we'll definitely see dollar index can get stronger. We can see an up to a 1% hike.
All right, Pramit, let you go at that. So the dollar index can go another percentage high from here. Euro could see 1.25 in coming sessions. As far as the rupee goes, well, 46 can come, but sustainability is a question there. With that, it's wrap on this segment of Currency Call. Business Day coming up next.